One of the things that we have as a tool to control pests that's so wonderful, and we learn more about it all the time, is garlic. Garlic tea. Now, garlic will repel insects without killing the beneficials. That's why I like it so much. And it works pretty well on the whiteflies. You can add the pepper to it to have garlic pepper tea. You can add, if that doesn't work, you can add orange oil or one of the mint oils, the plant oils, and make it even a stronger killing mixture. But remember when you do that it will also kill your beneficial insects. Garlic tea by itself will control most pests so beautifully it's unreal. Plus the fact we just now, over the last few months, have gotten new research in that garlic also is a fungal disease fighter. Brown patch and St. Augustine grass, cottony, the powdery mildew is what I'm trying to say. Any of the fungal diseases that attack plants that the other people are telling you to spray daconil and Balaton and all these things, which by the way are neurotoxins and very dangerous. A lot of people for some reason think that the chemical fungicides are not very toxic, and I guess they think that because it's killing microscopic living organisms. But you need to understand that Balaton, daconil, Captan, all of those things like that are indeed neurotoxins, just like diazinon and durazban and all the insecticides that we tell you not to use, and 2,4-D and all the herbicides. Mosquitoes, one of our favorite insects. The garlic oil, and I've run into this very recently. I had no idea it would work like it does. But there are pest control companies out there, and a lot of homeowners doing it themselves, going out and spraying garlic tea all over the property before a party or whatever, and the mosquitoes are going away. Well, lo and behold, some of them noticed that after doing that, the mosquitoes were staying away for 30 days, sometimes even longer. And the garlic smell goes away, within a few hours, but it's leaving some kind of a residual on the plants or on the property that the mosquitoes don't want. And there's nothing, it's a wonderful food. There's not a better food, and it's also doing us this great service of getting rid of a bunch of pests. You're going to see the pest control industry completely change as a result of these products. This technology is so wonderful, and the reason it's so wonderful is, one, these are oils from herbs. That's all it is. But the blend of them makes something that actually kills invertebrates, insects, slugs and snails, scorpions. Works well on all those kinds of things. Almost as well. In fact, some of the chemical companies that are getting into this technology are even saying that their research is showing that they kill as well as the toxic chemicals. But they do not affect vertebrates. Well, now, why is that important? Well, that means the plant oils don't hurt birds, frogs, toads, lizards, cats, dogs, you and me. That's why I've gotten away from pyrethrum and rotenone and those kinds of things, because those, even though those are organic products, they're too toxic and they hurt the vertebrates just like they do invertebrates. Now, we still have a little bit of negative with the plant oils, and that is that they will kill ladybugs, green lacewings, dragonflies, the good guys too. So we only want to spray them where we have a problem, on the plants where we have a problem. You don't want to be going out spraying all over the place. By the way, brand names, if you want brand names on the plant oils, there's going to be a bunch of them. I think it's going to completely change the whole industry. But the brand names that are the easiest to find are Bioganics and Eco Exempt right now. There's probably going to be a lot of others hopefully soon.